I want to show you guys how to fix a hydrangea that is dry, looks dead and wilting, even though you're watering it, maybe even daily. So this looked like this. All the flowers were wilted. Some of the leaves were just dry, like drying out like this. And I was watering it daily. I didn't know what was going on. But this other hydrangea we had bought at the same day from the same location was doing fine. It's the one right next to it here. And for some reason, I didn't know what was going on. This was in full sun, and this one was in half shade, half sun. So I kind of thought maybe it's getting a little bit hot. I did a little bit of research, and this is the one that we bought the same day. It's the same basic planter. We used the same soil, potting soil, everything is the same, except this one was in full sun. I think that the soil was getting so hot, and it was actually baking the roots. It was like getting the roots too hot, getting the plant too hot where it was in sun for like, if we had a few 90-degree days, and it was just causing too much stress on this plant. Even though it was getting enough water, I was watering it daily. I usually do for hydrangeas. So this one, I actually moved it over to this plant into the shade, and it's been rehabbing now. This one gets about half shade, half sun now, and it's doing a lot better. You can see these top areas. This thing was fully wilted. I wish I had taken a picture of it before, but now it's looking like it's coming back to life, just with probably cooler soil and more shade. So I hope this video helped, guys, and this could definitely be one problem if your hydrangea is suffering like that.